The Saskatoon business community is very robust. The fabric of this province has been built on hard work and built on ingenuity. And I think when you stitch those two things together, it's just a recipe for new opportunities.
It's prairie ingenuity. It's the mindset that people have here in Saskatchewan and in Saskatoon about finding a way to get things done. Not because it's easy, not because anybody can do it, but because there's great pride in figuring out the solutions to the problem.
We have an immense growing talent pool here. We've got the University of Saskatchewan, Saskatchewan Polytechnic, SIIT as well for trades and technology.
They're problem solvers, and there's no such thing as it can't be done. It's what do we do to get it done.
There's a vast opportunity in the potash sector, in the nuclear sector, in mining.
Saskatoon is open for business and it's very friendly and welcoming. Come on in, embrace the community, embrace the people that are there.
I think our future here in Saskatchewan and Saskatoon is very bright.